I don't know if you could tell by any of these readings from any of these sensors if you could see something not looking right. Looks like the timing advance is fluctuating. The throttle position is working. I just floored it and went up to 88. So that's working. Timing advance does move when I crank it. So does the RPM. Mass airflow, I don't know what the hertz range is supposed to be. Doesn't look like it's fluctuating at all. I think it might be the mass airflow sensor for real, because the mass airflow fucking is not changing. Everything else is changing. Like I said, I don't know what everything's supposed to be, but when I crank it, everything changes except for mass airflow. See? Mass airflow ain't really moving. It ain't going nowhere. Now the car's actually running, but barely. It's putt-putting. Look, mass airflow, hertz ain't changing. I believe that's supposed to fluctuate. Can't be the cam sensor, the crank sensor. The timing advance seems to be working.